Namaste everyone. In this video we will see how we can render small portion of a video. So currently I'm in Davinci Resolve 15 and I'm in the delivery tab. So for example, this video has around 49 clips. For example, if you have made some adjustments for the video in clip number 1 or clip number 11, so you can render only this particular clip and see how the quality of the work is. So to do that, what you need to do is you need to right click on this clip and then click on the render this clip. So once you do that, you might have observed for the 11th clip you will see this portion got created. See, for example, let's do the same thing for the 9th clip, and this will go and it will create this bar here. Yeah, this is the 9th clip. Earlier this was the 11th clip, 10th one, 9th one. So 9th one is the bigger one. So right now we are doing this work for clip basis. In case, so this is one way of doing it. So for example, if you wanted to combine few clips and do the rendering process, okay, that you can do. See, for example, you have selected a clip. Okay, this is the 8th clip. Right click, mark in, click on mark in. So right now 8th clip is the starting one, and 12th one, right click and mark out. So from 8th to 12th it will render. This is the 8th one, 9th one, 10th, 11th, 12th. So in this way you can do this rendering process. So after doing this, it is the same process how you will do for the entire timeline. Then click on add to render queue. So since already that name exists, it is asking, I'm just replacing that. Then it will be a job will be added to the render queue. Okay, see, for example, now you wanted to do only 9th clip, that too a small portion in the 9th clip. So if you take your mouse pointer over there, it will show you two arrow marks. You can drag left side and you can drag right side. Click, hold that dot and drag how much ever you want. So right now in the 9th clip itself, I am rendering only small portion of the video. So this is how you can do that. So now if you click on add to render queue, then it will perform that. It will come in the render queue. So like this you can do in three ways. One is single clip, and second option is multiple clips by selecting in and out, and by using mouse cursor adjustments you can take portion of the video, or I mean entire clip you can render. So this way you can save your time and you no need to build entire timeline, and you can quickly finish your project. And in case if this video helped you, please subscribe to our channel and like this video and share this with your friends. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.